Hi, today we are going to see how to create a Google Classroom quizzes. Now just go to google.com. From this google.com you can find a Google Apps out there. Click the Google Apps, select a Google Drive. Once you select this Google Drive, it displays a Google Drive screen where you can have an option on the left hand side, New. Click this New, you have an option More. Just click the More option. You can see the list of options are drop down. Now select Google Form. From the Google Forms, choose blank form. After selecting blank form, the Google has opened a Google Form, that is untitled Google Form has been opened here. Now what you do is just type this untitled form to so that is a title of the subject. So you can create a quiz for the chapter wise also. I am selecting the software testing chapter 1 quiz. So for that is a form description. You can say answer all question like this. You can type or leave it there. Now in the left hand side, select the untitled form. Automatically the title of this assignment, that is a quiz program title, will be displayed here. And then the questions we want to generate the questions. Click here untitled question. I have typed some questions here. Just I am copying and pasting here. See option 1, just pasting that option A, the option B, add option, option C, add option, and option D. Now I want to create a next question. Click this add question. Ready set to generate the next question. From this you have the options. So Google Form. Now there are 4 options are there. So the first question have 4 options. Okay, and the 4th option is not there. Just I'm pasting the 4th option. So for first question 4 options are there. The second one there is a 4 options are there. So after setting this each question, just click this first one. You have to choose required. The second question, click here the required options. Okay. After choosing this required option, what you do is just go to setting here. So collect email addresses. So click this response recipient and always select this always button. Whenever the students has filled this entire question, automatically it will go to their mail address itself. That quiz here, make this question, that is a grading mark system is there. Click this immediately after submission. Other things are let it be like the save option. Okay. After saving this, what you do is just click here first question. We have to set the answer key, that is a mark for the each question and which is the correct answer for that particular question. Just now we have to select it. Click the answer key. Now 1 mark for that particular question and B will be the first answer. Now go to the second question, answer key. So 1 mark. So D will be the correct answer. You can see the tick mark is just plus done. Okay, first one is also done button we have pressed. Now we have to preview this entire form. Just click this preview. Now you can see the preview of your Google form, that is a form. Now click here email address. Now what to do? What is the answer? First question. Okay. Now I am selecting second one is. Now you can randomly select it. Just hit submit button. After submit button, the entire answer has been recorded and the mail has been sent to the students. Just click this view score. So which you can see which is the correct answer. The first one I have chosen as wrong answer, so that's why it displayed as wrong. The second one I put it as a correct answer, though it is a green display text is there. So you can see the mark of 1/2. So this is a way how to create a Google quizzes in the Google Classroom. After creating this form, what you do is just click this option button. That is close this. Here, what you have to do is move this entire assignment questions to your drive, Google Drive. That is a Google Drive. Just move it. After just clicking this drive, Google Drive, My Drive, you can see the classes. I have created some classes here. Just click here, class. where I can see this some classes are there. So what I have to do is this entire quiz questions should be moved to which classes. Now I am selecting the class with this class, that is a third B. Okay, so where you can move here, move. So the entire assignment of this question can be moved to the particular class. Okay, now what you do is just you can close it, or just click this new tab, go to google.com, here type Google Classroom. Okay, go to the particular classroom, Google Classroom, select the Google Classroom, go to the here, go to class. Now you can see this, there are some sections are there. Okay, then I am selecting the B section here. Now click this classroom. Okay, so click create quiz assignment. From this, what you do is click add button from Google Drive. See, the software question testing has been created here. Okay, just select this add option. Previously it was blank quiz is there, just close it. Okay, so now you can see this title, you can put as software quiz 1. So here instruction you can give to the instruction to all the students. Okay, so here also the topic also you can mention as a you can create a topic, quiz 1. Okay, quiz 1. And also the grading system, you can make it 100 marks or 50 marks grading system. You can select it, and also due date for setting that finalizing, that is a due date you can set it to. Now I am setting this is to 30th April. Okay, every student has to submit that quiz assignment on the 30th April. Now assigning it. So this quiz assignment has been assigned here. See here, the quiz 1 software testing has been assigned here. Okay, now click this. You can create, you can see the Google form is there. When you click this Google form, automatically it displays your Google form. Okay, now you can type here whatever the questions you want. That is email address, and as well as the questions as well as respective answers, you can select it here. Now I am selecting the answer, submit here. So it has been recorded. When I want to view the score, I can view the score of the mark. So 2 by 2. So everything is to all the answers.